Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. Benson Boone, you heard about him, I believe so. Mystical, magical, and it's almost a bit magical how he does that with only 3 chords in the song. Let's check this one out. And we're going to do that with capo on 4th. That's the best scenario for us. We're going to look into the A minor, the D, and the G chord, and that's it. So, let's start with A minor first. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have finally the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so let's go into the strumming of it, and if you grab the first chord, the A minor, one string around will be down, up, clap, up, like this. So down, up, clap, up. It's very relaxed actually. If you want, you can also play down, down, clap, down. If you think that is easier for you, then go like that. So down, down, clap, down. Okay, so I will teach with the down, up, clap, up. I'll feel a little bit more comfortable and relaxed with that style of playing. So let's go into the song and start with the first verse. You're going to play A minor, 4 string rounds, and then G, 4 string rounds. You're going to do that for 2 rounds. Back and forth, A minor 4, G 4, A minor 4, G 4, like this. G, 2, 3, and 4. Again. Okay, so I showed you both ways of playing that with strumming. That's the first verse. Now into the refrain, the first one, and you just continue with the same playing there. A minor 4, G 4. That starts 24 seconds in, by the way. And yeah, you know that by now. A minor 4, G 4 for another 2 rounds. Then you're gonna hit the first pre-chorus of about 40 seconds in. Yes, once you know, I think that's where we are in the lyrics. And you're gonna play now downs only. So you're gonna play A minor, 8 downs, D, 8 downs, and G, 16 downs. And when I think about the downs here, I try to think about 4 as a cluster, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in my mind 1. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you cannot count all the 16 downs later on the G, so you just have to feel when it's time to switch chords. So it goes like this, A minor 8, D8, and 16 of the Gs, like this. 2, 3, 4, again, 2 rounds. D. Alright, so you have to practice that, you feel when it's time, and you switch. And that's the pre-chorus. 2 rounds of the A minor, D, and G. And then you continue with the same chord progression, but now instead you switch to strumming when you come into the first chorus. We're now about 56 seconds in. Mystical, magical, that's where we're on the lyrics. And you're going to play A minor 2 of the strumming, D, 2 string, and G, 4 string rounds. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds. So again, A minor, 2, D, 2, G, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the first chorus. Okay, into the second round, it's just repetition, guys. You play exactly the same way from the verse, the refrain, and also the pre-chorus and even the chorus. No changes there. And after that, you have the outro part left. And what you do here is to play the chorus play, the strumming of A minor 2, D2, and G4 for 2 rounds. And then you finish off with A minor 1 down, D1 down, and G1 down. And that's it, my friends. Very, very easy, like I promised. Benson Boone's 3-chord song, mystical, magical. And yeah, give it a try. Hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.